Good morning, viewers. Welcome to our channel Naija Pikin, and thank you for all the support we've been getting. And do not forget to like, make comments, and also subscribe to the channel so that you can understand the little illustrations about things we're about to give our kids and everybody that watches the video. Today we go to look at squares and square roots so that we can be able to differentiate what a square of a number is and the square root of that particular number. So there are little things I want to give you, a little ingredient to help you understand what you can do to know the square of a number and the square root of that particular number. So now let me give you an example. From 1 to 10, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there's what we call odd and even numbers. So I wouldn't want to go deep into that. I know we like going deep into that particular aspect, but from 1 to 10 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first number, which is 1, is an odd number, because when you divide 1 by 2 you do not have a definite number, you get 0.5. But if you divide 2 by 2 you have 1. So 1 is an odd number, 2 is an even number, 3 is an odd number, 4 is an even number, 5 is an odd number till infinity. So after knowing this, now most of the times when they ask you in school, what is the square root of 1? Let's say, okay, let's start from square. What is the square of 1? We know it is 1 times 1, right? Because it's square, right? So if they ask you what is the square of 2, we know it's 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Now look at it. 1 times 1, 1 square is 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. 2 square is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Now, the difference between square and square root. Square is the smaller brother. Square root is the bigger brother. To make 4 become 2, now you say, what is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is equal to 2. Yes, the square of 2 is equal to 4. The square root of 4 is equal to 2. The square of 3 is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. The square root of 9 is equal to 3. The square root of 1 is equal to 1. 4 square is equal to 4 times 4. 4 times 4, what will you have? 16. The square root of 16 is equal to 4. Are you seeing the difference? That's just the difference between square and square root. When you square two numbers, you multiply those numbers by themselves, right? 3 square now is 3 times 3. What of the square root of 9? 3 times 3 is 9. So to get back 3, you have to look for the square root of that number, which is 9, which will give you back 3. Are you seeing? So now, this is where I want you guys to put your mind on. Now, where I want Mokuna watch now be this. So this is what I want you guys to look at. So now for 1 times 1, we have 1. Then we have 2 times 2. That means the square of 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Now this is where I want you guys to look at. Between 1 and 4, how many numbers do we have? 3. So because 4 minus 1 is 3. So, and I told you guys, don't forget odd numbers. Now see the magic here. Now look at the magic. Now we are writing odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, right? 15, 17, 19, 21, 23 till infinity. So now to understand what the square and square root is going to be of a number successively, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is what? 4. So how many did they add to 1 that gave you 4? 3. So that means the next square of number we will get, we will add 5. Now watch. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So 4 plus what will give you 9? 5. So the next one we'll go add now 7. 4 times 4 will give you what? 16. 9 plus 7 will give you what? 16. So the next one we'll go add now 9. 5 times 5 is equal 25. 16 plus 9 will give you what? 25. 6 times 6 will give you what? 36. 25 plus 11 will give you what? 36. 7 times 7 will give you what? 49. 36 plus 13 will give you what? 49. So the next odd number here is 15. 15. Let me bring it here. 17, 19, 21. Let's stop at 23 so you can continue from there, right? So that you can continue from there. 7 times 7 is 49. 36 plus 13, that's what gave you 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 49 plus 15 will give you 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 64 plus 17 will give you 81. 10 times 10 is 100. 81 plus 19 will give you 100. 11 times 11 will give you 121. 100 plus 21 will give you 121. 12 times 12 is 144. 121 plus 23 will give you 144. So you see, each and every number, you are only adding the odd numbers to them to give you the next square of a particular number. So you add just odd numbers. So you can do this and know what even 50 times 50 is, which is 2,500, or 60 times 60, or what have you. Thank you for watching this little video, and I hope you understand it. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe this particular channel. Thanks, and take care of yourself, and a happy Friday.